Hope you're all enjoying your holidays so far. So quick update here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And as you can see, the price has opened below in gap, not much, but has opened below in gap. Now at this point, if you remember, in my every single video I've been mentioning that we need to break above this high on all three platforms, right here on Oanda, and right here on NYMEX as well. And as you can see, every time the price tries to reach this area of value, which is our termination zone for the bullish trades, every time the price hit the zone, the price always pushes lower. So it is very important for the price to break above this level to turn completely bullish. Till then, we're gonna wait with patience. Now at this point, as you can see, we had a zone below right here that has been rejecting lots of time. That is also a termination zone below right here, and we have a strong rejection here as well. That also shows a bullish pressure. As you can see here, I've already marked my termination zone here on Oanda, which is right here. It is not breaking below and goes equal to the head of this pattern. That shows a bullish pressure as well, that we have a good rejection here as well. So at this point, nothing much. We are still waiting for the price to break above this consolidation now, which is right here. Once that happens, we are good to go long. I want to see a complete break above this zone as well, which is here on Oanda is 2.419, goes to 2.493 for the price to turn completely bullish. And the zone below, let's say we have a dramatic fall, we need to be prepared for that as well. As now the price is just ranging, we don't know what's going to happen. It's going to break out above or below, but at this point, looking at the signals, we have a rejection here. We have a possibility that price will break above. Now at this point, in case the price dramatically push lower, we have 1.924 goes up to 2.046, a zone from where if the price falls, I'll still pay attention for my buying opportunity from here with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry condition. Above the zone, I will look for aggressive entry from the zone, retest a bullish engulfer, or above, if we have broke above this termination zone, in that case we have an entry number 2 as well for the head and shoulder pattern, or we can also look for our pullback entry bullish condition. These are the conditions I'm still looking at with patience. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. Here on capital.com, right here, the zone above, which is 2.492, goes to 2.605. If break above, we're going to look for bullish trades or aggressive entries with a retest, or if the price, let's say, pushes lower, in that case we will have a valid double bottom pattern here on capital.com. A zone below, which is 2.110, goes up to 2.235, from where we're going to enter our buy trade. For now, we have no entry condition. We are just waiting for the price to break out to take our entries on NYMEX. Right here, the zone 2.471 goes up to 2.587. We're waiting for the price to break above this zone to take our buy trades or our pullback entries. We still have a strong rejection here at the termination zone, and it's not breaking below, showing bullish pressure. So in case we have a dramatic fall, the zone below 2.056 goes up to 2.207, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trade. Now a heads up here, if the price falls here and hit the zone here first on capital.com and gives me a reason to enter like double bottom, and let's say if the price has not reach the zone below here on the other platform, don't get confused here, I will still go for my long trades. Wherever the price hit my zones, I will still look for my long trades, especially here on capital.com or Oanda. It's my tested data. That is why I look for entries on either of this platform, and it must be a valid entry. So keep an eye here, look for your conditions. Next one, we have gold. Gold is now pushing lower right here from the level of resistance I've already mentioned to the members and in the video as well. Right here is 2063, goes to 2075, a zone from where we are now looking for a possible double top pattern. If we have that, a rejection without a price to close above this top. If the price close with a candle, in that case we will turn completely bullish. That is a likely chance. But if you have a rejection just with a wick, something like this, just a wick without a candle being closed above, in that case we still are good to go short. A very good zone to take your sell trade once the price forms a signal here on 4-hour time frame and on 1-hour time frame. I'm also waiting for the price to hit my rejection zone. In that case, we will have a nice divergence in the RSI with a double top pattern that indicates a very strong sell signal once the price hit my zone with a rejection, like bearish engulfers, 382 candles, inverted hammers. All these are my bearish conditions. So keep an eye here for your conditions. Here on silver, price is now in a process of a pullback. I'm not looking for any buy trades for this commodity. All I want to see a complete break above this high right here. Once we have that, we are good to go long. Look for a pullback entries only, not straight away long. I want to see a break above, then a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. So keep an eye here. I'm still waiting for the price to give me some sort of signal. Now if the next candle right here, we had a new high. If next candle closed as a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we will have a buy signal. Right here, this is also a valid buy signal, and that can still push the price higher. And if we have another candle as a bullish engulfing candle, we will have another valid buy signal. So we have a buy signal here, and we have a chance the price will push up at least this high, and then I want to see a break above a new high and start look for another bullish trades. And right here, the zone above, which is 25.86, goes to 26.39, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades with bearish engulfers double top entry condition. So the zone is quite high, silver is quite slow, and sometimes silver also pushes the gold higher. And here on gold, if we have a signal, I'm only expecting a pullback that is enough to hit your target. That can be your $8 to $10, and then the price can again push higher. So keep an eye here, don't hang on with your trades, make sure you have your stop loss and take profit set both. Last one, we have crude oil. It's nicely pushing higher. Right here, in my last video, I got some comments that we had a valid bullish candle, and I've already pinned my comment there. Yes, that is a valid bullish candle. Now I've just zoomed it because that was a little dodgy red candle, and that is also a valid bullish candle. A pullback followed by bullish engulfer, that is a valid signal. Now at this point, it is not a valid signal. It invalidates one of my rule, even though that is a valid bullish engulfing candle, but not a valid signal. But we have a new high, and we can start to look for another buy trades with a pullback of few red candles followed by bullish engulfer, something like this, something like this. So look for these conditions. Once we have that, we have a nice trend, and we are only looking for a trend continuation trades and ride along with the trend till the price bends. And the zone from where the price can likely bend is right here, is 78.06, goes to 79.97, from where we can look for our sell trades with bearish engulfers double top inverted hammers 382 candles bearish. So that's all I'm looking for. Commodities, any questions, any confusion, you can always email me at support@thewaveofmoneymarkets.net. Hope you trade green and have an awesome holiday. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.